I want you to focus on making sure your money has direction. These are some of the things that I had to do and I continue to do. Your money has to have direction. You have to have a purpose. Money is a tool. I tell you guys all the time, money is a tool. It has to be used for something. Money is not to be kept under a mattress or, in a box somewhere, in a wall hidden. Money is to be put to work. If you're not putting the money to work, you're making a big mistake. And I want you to focus on changing your money script. The blocks you have in your mind that, not me, I'm not good enough with money. I'm not a money person. Keisha, I'm not a money person. Stop telling yourself that. You will never be a money person if you keep saying, I'm not a money person. I'm not a numbers person, Keisha. I don't know numbers. Keisha, I don't earn enough. You earn enough to make a difference with your life. If you don't make any step, you will always be in the same position. And so I'm encouraging everyone here tonight, take the little lessons, change your mindset.